I hit this issue today and here as the quick fix that solved it. If you're facing a billing error on your DoorDash order, follow these steps to resolve it quickly. Step 1. Open the DoorDash app. Launch the DoorDash app on your device. Make sure you are logged into the account associated with the order. Step 2. Navigate to order history. Tap on the order's icon at the bottom of the screen. This will take you to your order history where you can find the specific order with the billing error. Step 3. Select the affected order. Find and select the order that has the billing error. This will open the order details page where you can review the charges. Step 4. Report the billing issue. Look for the option to report an issue or contact support. This is usually found at the bottom of the order details page. Follow the prompts to report the billing error. Step 5. Wait for a response. After submitting your issue, check your email or app notifications for a response from DoorDash support. They will typically resolve billing issues within a few hours. Sometimes, the issue may be due to a temporary hold on your card, so double check your payment method in the app settings. I hope this helps you sort out your billing error.